What's up, people? Welcome to Justus Drawings. It's your boy Justus. So if it is your first time here and you want to learn how to draw, you want to learn how to sketch, hit that subscribe button down below. Videos will be posted every Saturday. You don't want to miss out. If you have been here since the channel started, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you so much. Keep supporting me in my growth. So as you have seen in the title, today I'll be showing you 5 drawing ideas that you can do when you are bored or when you don't know what to draw. Sometimes you get a creativity block, and these ideas can really help you practice your drawing skills, your line work, your creativity, your shading. Yeah, they're really simple, and I think anyone can do it. All you need is a paper and a pencil. Yeah, so let's get right into it.
sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Yeah guys, so that was basically it. I hope you've learned something and I hope you can apply something in your drawings. So thank you very much for watching guys. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see in the future tutorials. Let me know what you'd like to see being drawn. Please subscribe down below. I'll really appreciate it. There's a circle right here, there's a circle. Please subscribe, I'll really appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching guys. See you next Saturday.